Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch off live caption on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. So live caption is when you're watching a video and subtitles appear on that video, and sometimes that option gets turned on your phone automatically or someone else does it, and you want to know how to turn that off. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone, and then in the search bar type in live captions like so. Sorry, I meant live caption. Then this will pop up under accessibility. Click on live caption, and as you can see, live caption is turned on. So to turn it off, just click into it and toggle that off, and that has turned off live captions in your phone. So yeah, thanks for watching this video to the very end, guys. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.